Hello guys, welcome to the Knacklers workshop. Could be extra wobbly today because I forgot to bring the little tripod for the camera. Anyway, this is my first day back in the workshop this year actually because of various family stuff that's been going on. So I've been in there doing a little bit of cleaning and just trying to get ready for cracking on. Now, just as you've seen from the title, I got a gift from Craig over at Craig's workshop. Now I'm sure most of you know Craig. He's a British guy who lives out in Tasmania, and when I first started YouTubing, he was we got to talking, and this was probably about 4 years, approaching 4 years ago. And those of you who know me or watch regularly, you've seen this also appears in the trailer of the videos. Now Craig sort of was quizzing me about this, and I managed to find another one, and I sent it out to him, and so about 4 years later, Craig returned the gift sort of with one of his own ones. So that's very nice, so thanks for that, Craig. Now Craig's got two channels, so he's got Craig's Workshop and, let's go back down there. Craig's Workshop and Craig's Workshop Updates. So the workshop one is more sort of cinematic projects, and whereas the update one are just really new machines that come in and out, and what he's doing in his workshop. And if you haven't seen his workshop, it's really lovely, so it's going to be smashing when he's finished. So by all means, really get over there and have a look. So that's my that's really from a gift from Craig. So we got we always have the Union Jack one, and we've got the Engineers one, and one from Craig. So yeah, thanks for that, Craig. I'll put the links down into the Craig's channels in the video description. So if you're not familiar with him, go over, and I'm sure he'll give you a warm welcome. Okay, so it's really short and sweet. As I say, this is the first day back in the workshop due to stuff going on. I'll just swing around. It's all pretty covered up and dusty, and we've got I'm halfway through making a video of that, which I never got around to finishing. So there's lots of things to get on with now. Now I'm back in action. Okay, so many thanks for watching. Many thanks to Craig. Stay happy, strong and healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.